Light shower activity predominantly out over toward Oceanside and for the northern half of the county. All of the activity is shifting further out over toward the east. So you can see Bonsall, you're dealing with the light rain. At the very edge of it, you'll probably be in the shower for about the next 5 to 7 minutes. Also into Carlsbad, right along the beaches, there's one strong cell there. That's going to continue to move inland for you, most likely dealing with that for the next 10 minutes. Very, very light isolated showers for us. I think tonight only calling for about a 10% chance of rain. When you look at that storm system, the culprit of it, the cold front, still well to our north. So we just have so much moisture we're able to tap into, at least for tonight. But that cold front will be on the move tomorrow, and we'll continue to watch for that rain chance really to increase for us, although light precipitation totals for us. Here's the deal. Starting you off at about 5 o'clock tonight, you can see most of the activity staying out toward the northern half of the county. Remember, 10% chance, not a whole lot. Staying that way by 11 o'clock, now just looking like it's for Julian and me into Ramona and Pine Valley. Wednesday at 6 a.m., that cold front is hanging out into LA and Orange County, so that's where the heavier rain is. But now starting to see portions of it sneak into Valley Center. I would go ahead and call for about a 15% chance of rain. We'll increase it once we get to 8 a.m. to about a 30% chance, covering I-5 as well as into Poway. So tomorrow morning, if you can leave for work a little bit earlier, most likely you'll miss the wet roads. Heading by 12 o'clock, now we're going to expand our coverage to around a 50% chance of precipitation, and then by Wednesday at 4 o'clock, we'll take it to about 30%. This is not the end of the rain, though, for the week. Coming up, we'll talk more about the next storm. There is a plethora of moisture coming down throughout the Great Lakes, all of that headed into New England and the Northeast, and in fact, that is where we find our winter weather advisories up in that shading of dark purple, including out over toward Allentown. Well, they could see a few, I'd say about 1 inch of snow most likely, and also dealing with a few hundredths of an inch of ice. Back out over toward California, we have the winter storm warning up in the shading of pink. That includes our mountains, where they could see 2 to 4 feet of snowfall. That lingering through Thursday morning. Flash flood watch, the area is shaded in green. There's the potential of them picking up pockets of around 4 inches of rain. There are already a lot of those creeks and rivers that are swollen, and that rain's going to make it down to us as well. So for tomorrow, I think the heaviest activity coming into the, I'd say, late morning, early afternoon, and really maybe just a few hundredths of an inch. The bulk of the storm system comes down with the second impulse. That's going to arrive Thursday night into Friday, and with that, we'll see more measurable rainfall. There's threat of some thunderstorms as well. Overall, when it's all said and done, Julian could see about 1.5 inches of rain, Del Mar maybe half an inch, and Oceanside around 0.6 of an inch in rain. And we're already in a surplus for this 5 in the desert. They're looking at 70, dropping into the 60s by Thursday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. Guys, over to you.